A lot of women find it extremely difficult to match their husband's energy in the bedroom, as in, they just can't. Whenever their partners tell them it is time, oh yeah, let's go and do what husband and wife usually do, it's like the world is crumbling down on them, and it is not even funny. Okay, I feel your pain, which is why I am here bringing this recipe to your doorstep free of charge. Okay, all you have to do is subscribe, click that subscribe button and like this video. Very easy and simple. All right, before we continue, hello guys and welcome back again to my channel, the Ogbonge Recipe channel, where I give you natural homemade recipes for a healthy living and improved lifestyle. Okay, today we are back with another banger, another hit video. So if you want to get the ball rolling in the bedroom, then you need this recipe. Your husband will not recognize you. I am telling you, this night you will be shocked, just the same way my husband was shocked, because you will so drip, like you will so drip, and you'll be so wet. Okay, and your husband will not even recognize that it is you. He will not believe what he will experience. Okay, after watching this video, you will definitely testify. So these are the ingredients. We have cloves, milk and malt. These are just the three ingredients that you need for this recipe. All you need to do is, first of all, boil the cloves with clean water on the heater, and I'll be showing you how to do it pretty soon. Okay, how to prepare it pretty soon. So cloves are natural aphrodisiac, not those ones sold on the internet. I'm not talking about those aphrodisiacs sold on the internet. I'm not talking about those ones. This one you will prepare by yourself on your own, and like I said earlier, I will show you how to prepare it. Okay, so you'll be needing hot water. I already went ahead to boil my water. I've already put it in a bowl, as you can see, and I'll be turning it into the cloves that I have on my plate, or in my plate rather. You guys can see the quantity of the cloves. Not that you can pack all the cloves at the market. Okay, it is not about that. It's about the right amount, the right quantity, so to say. So you guys can see that it is not much, just little amount. This one I got it from the market for just 100 naira. Yes, this that's how little you need, how much little you need. Okay, so I pour it inside the water and I am going to cover it, and set it aside so it can cook properly. You can actually boil it on the heater, like I said, but I'm not going to do it in that manner. I'm just going to allow it to cook. So I do have my malt here. I've opened this. I also have my milk here, which I'm going to be turning into the cloves, and I'll be showing you. Okay, you guys just wait, you see how it is done. I can already perceive the aroma. You guys know that cloves smell nice. It has a nice aroma. Cloves can make you feel eager to have intercourse because they amplify testosterone, which is the hormone that is important for both men and women intercourse drive. Ever wonder why you find it hard to concentrate during intercourse? As a woman, you just find it hard. You can't just concentrate. Your mind is not there because you're not even interested. Well, it is because you have low acetylcholine. Okay, and once you lack this hormone, concentration is difficult. There is no way you'll be aroused, and once you're not concentrated, definitely you won't be aroused, and consequently you will never get wet, which is the main thing that men need to actually do the do. Okay, they need that place to be slimy and wet. So intercourse becomes almost impossible because your partner won't be feeling you, and you yourself, okay, you won't be feeling yourself because you'll be feeling pain, and you can even go into depression. Okay, this could make you go into depression, and your partner on the other hand can just look somewhere else and go get another side chick or whatever it is. I'm sure you want to keep that relationship or that marriage. This is why this recipe comes in handy. Cloves will help stimulate you naturally and give you that wetness you crave. First of all, can we just take a moment to appreciate this color? Guys, look at this creamy natural color that you are seeing. You guys already saw the color of the clove when I actually removed it from the water, allowed it to cook for a while. I think it was about 5 minutes. The water was already getting cool, okay, and then the color was already out, okay. It was not colorless. It was not colorless. So that is how your clove should cook when you're about to prepare your recipe, okay. And then I added the milk, I added the malt, and you guys can see the finished work. It is so delicious, and I cannot just wait to drink it again because, guys, I already tried it once, I already tried it twice. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how many times I've tried it. That is to show you the efficacy of this recipe. And I hope you try it, okay? And then come back and testify, come back and thank me. So, guys, thank you very much for watching.